Are they making that noise?
That's his bird. Well, that is them.
What is that noise? That's the otters. Some sound they make.
Wow, that's just annoying noise.
Are you sure it's not a bird up there?
I think he's howling at the door trying to get some food or something.
Oh yeah, that's what he's doing.
You want something to eat? Yeah, that's definitely him. You've never heard him that loud before. You want one of Steven's fish? You want some of Steven's fish? Huh? Yeah. Yeah.